Well, in the meantime, let's talk about the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal himself on what he came out to think that his days in Tihar would be over soon. It was quickly challenged by the Enforcement Directorate in the High Court. Thereafter, when it comes to putting a pause on his bail, the Supreme Court was also approached, but the Supreme Court refused to interfere, saying that let's wait when it comes to the High Court verdict. And yesterday, the High Court verdict came out, and that gave no relief to the Delhi Chief Minister. Now, as far as sources have been suggesting that CBI also examined Arvind Kejriwal in Tihar jail on Monday, the probe agency has recorded Kejriwal's statement related to the excise policy case. It is also learned that the CBI has got permission to produce Arvind Kejriwal before the trial court today. Sources suggest that Kejriwal will be produced before the court today in the first half. However, the reason for the production warrant is still not known. Sources say in Tihar that have also confirmed, saying that Arvind Kejriwal has been questioned twice by the CBI. Now, Aam Aadmi Party has expressed apprehension on Kejriwal's possible arrest by the CBI, with the Delhi Mantri Saurabh Bhardwaj claiming that the CBI is preparing to arrest Arvind Kejriwal, calling it Tanashahi, calling it dictatorship. Aam Aadmi Party has also alleged a big conspiracy by the BJP government and the CBI against Kejriwal, saying that senses the possibility that Arvind Kejriwal may get some relief from the Supreme Court. BJP has quickly acted and conspired to keep Arvind Kejriwal behind the bars. However, sources in the CBI have denied the claims of his arrest till now.
जुर्म अत्याचार जाति की इंतहा हो गई है। विश्वस्त सूत्रों से जानकारी मिली है कि ऐसे समय में जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को जमानत मिलने की पूरी संभावना है, उससे पहले केंद्र की भाजपा सरकार ने सीबीआई के अधिकारियों के साथ मिलकर एक बड़ी साजिश रची है। और ये साजिश है अरविंद केजरीवाल के खिलाफ सीबीआई का फर्जी मुकदमा तैयार करके उनको गिरफ्तार करने की। पूरा देश देख रहा है बीजेपी की जाति, पूरा देश देख रहा है केंद्र सरकार का जुर्म, पूरा देश देख रहा है उनका अत्याचार और अन्याय।
उदों जो सारी दुनिया ਨੂੰ पता है कि कल उन्होंने जो जमानत का मसला है, जिस तरीके नाल दिल्ली दी हेठली अदालत ने कह दिता कि इस केस के विच जो कथित शराब घोटाला है ते उहदे विच कुछ भी नहीं है। साफ पता लग रहा कि ईडी किसी एजेंडे दे नाल, किसी बायसनेस दे नाल काम कर रही है। ते कल जो जिहड़ा मामला है उस सुप्रीम कोर्ट दे विच विचाराधीन होना सी ते लगभग ये सी कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट हक च फैसला दूगा तो अद्धी राती अरविंद केजरीवाल की अरेस्ट कर लिया।
Remember, already a huge setback for Delhi Chief Minister came in yesterday from the High Court, which allowed ED's plea to stay the trial court's order for granting bail to the Aam Aadmi Party convener. The Aam Aadmi Party has said it will now move the Supreme Court and the plea will be heard today itself.
एक ऑर्डर जो अभी निकला ही नहीं, उस ऑर्डर के विषय में सिर्फ चर्चा पहुंची हाई कोर्ट में और हाई कोर्ट ने बिना उस ऑर्डर को देखे उसको स्टे कर दिया। जब आपने वो ऑर्डर ही नहीं देखा तो आपने उसको स्टे कर दिया। इसका मतलब यह है कि हाई कोर्ट प्रीजुडिस, पूर्वाग्रह से ग्रसित था। उन्होंने पहले ही कुछ जो है मन में सोचा हुआ था और ये बात सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी कहा कि हाई कोर्ट ने इसके ऊपर गलती की। तो मुझे लगता है कि किसी भी जज के लिए, किसी भी जज साहब के लिए बड़ा मुश्किल होता है कि पहले ही उन्होंने किसी ऑर्डर को बिना देखे उसको स्टे कर दिया हो, फिर जब वो ऑर्डर आए तो वो उसको कहें कि नहीं अब मैं इसको स्टे नहीं। उनको तो उस स्टे को और मजबूत करना है, उस स्टे को अब आगे जो है जस्टिफाई करना है। तो हम इसके लिए जो है आगे की लीगल स्ट्रेटजी बनाएंगे।
Well, with the Aam Aadmi Party already crying foul over when it comes to Arvind Kejriwal not getting any relief from the Delhi High Court, let's take a look at the important observations that were made by the Delhi High Court while delivering the verdict. First observation that went on to say that the arrest cannot be said to be illegal at this stage of the ongoing investigation. Another observation that was made that interim bail does not mean that he is qualified to get bail now. Remember, when it comes to the bail that for some time was granted by the Supreme Court was only till the time that he can campaign for the elections. Also saying that the vacation judge doesn't sufficiently deal when it comes to the ED submissions that were made in court. Another observation goes on to say that the ED plea wasn't adequately dealt by the vacation judge as far as in the trial court is concerned. saying ED also said that the vacation judge order was perverse. We have seen the kind of arguments that happened also in the Delhi High Court over this, and also the observations that have now been made. This is something that the BJP is now taking it head on, saying that the ED also argued that the trial judge passed the order by ignoring key documents, saying that there were many documents, voluminous documents, that would require a significant amount of time to go through that. Points that were made by the ED are required to be considered by court on when it comes to the investigation that has been taking place, and the trial judge did not appropriately appreciate the material that was placed by the Enforcement Directorate. Also going on to say that nothing in this order shall be taken as an observation on the merits of the case or the investigation that is now being conducted on part of the Enforcement Directorate. So in the meantime, let's also listen into how the BJP has been reacting, saying when it comes to bail, it does not mean acquittal of Arvind Kejriwal.
दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट के फैसले का हम सम्मान करते हैं। दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ने आज अरविंद केजरीवाल को राहत देने से इनकार कर दिया, और केवल राहत देने से इनकार नहीं किया है, बल्कि जो ट्रायल कोर्ट का ऑर्डर था, जिसको लेकर आम आदमी पार्टी और अरविंद केजरीवाल अपने आप को दोष मुक्त साबित करने पर तुले हुए थे, उसमें कई सारी खामियां थी, कमियां थी, उसको लेकर भी सख्त टिप्पणियां की है कि जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट राहत नहीं देता है, हाई कोर्ट राहत नहीं देता है, तब सडनली डेमोक्रेसी खतरे में आ जाती है, और जब वही लोअर कोर्ट, ट्रायल कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट कोई राहत दे दे तो डेमोक्रेसी जीवित हो जाती है।
All right, Dr. Anil Gupta is with us from the BJP side. Sir, good morning, नमस्कार आपको। क्या कहेंगे सर? What do you have to say on part of the आम आदमी पार्टी? सर, वो saying कि जिस दिन उन्हें लग रहा है that possibility है कि कोई relief मिल सकती है on part of the Supreme Court today, उसी दिन अब CBI जाकर पूछताछ करती है अरविंद केजरीवाल से तिहाड़ जेल. What does it mean?
Yeah, good morning to you and all the viewers. See, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, the chief ministers and the MLAs, they don't have a faith in the judiciary. When a decision comes in their favor, they say it is Satyamev Jayate. When the decision doesn't come in their favor, they put even question mark on the decision of the courts. You know, in the judicial system, we have a hierarchy. We have the lower court, district court, the high court and the Supreme Court. Yesterday, what comments they made on the High Court decision? It is a highly objectionable. They commented, they said prejudicial. In a democracy, it should not be used. The High Court has detailed about the decision, about what deficiencies were there in the trial court. And so it is unquestioned. And in this CBI case, you know, who filed the case in the CBI? It is the Congress leaders who filed the complaint in 2022 in the alleged excise scheme. The complaint was made against the Kejriwal. So the Aam Aadmi Party should have asked the Congress leaders why they filed the complaint. They are in coalition in Delhi, so they should have questioned the Congress leader. And now when the CBI is making an inquiry and investigation in the case the file by the Congress leader, they are making a hue and cries. So they should have asked the Congress why they filed the complaint. The Congress either withdraw the application, or
but
they should adhere to the
LG had recommended
provision.
when it comes to the CBI investigation, when it comes to the Delhi liquor policy, sir, that was been now scrapped.
I'm telling you, see, the ED investigate the cases of the PMLA. All the corruption cases are investigated by the CBI. Even the Manish Sisodia is in jail in the CBI case. So now in this, when the CBI has a right, they are incurring. So there is no politics in this. It is a routine procedure. They have to submit their documents to the paper. They have to reply to the court. And yesterday what happened in the High Court? High Court had detailed about the irregularities in the lower court. And when the vacation judge, 2 days vacation judge decision come, they said Satyamev Jayate. When High Court said, and they have a right to approach to the Supreme Court. We as a BJP respect the judiciary, that the decision.
Right.
They don't have a faith in the
that judiciary cannot be taken according to the convenience or the verdict that is announced. However, on part of the trial court as well, tab to judiciary was zindabad. But now when it comes to the High Court, now they come out to say that this is Tanashahi, and now they are expecting some relief from the Supreme Court today. Dr. Gupta, please request you to stay on with us, because we'll play out exactly and talk about. My colleague Ankit is also with us right now to help us understand how the Aam Aadmi Party today has been reacting.
So the Aam Aadmi Party, Amita, is putting up a very, very defiant front. We have a tweet from Saurabh Bharadwaj. It's very emotional and notional. So he writes, "Dam hai kitna daman mein tere, dekh liya hai dekhenge. Jagah ki kitni jail mein tere, dekh liya hai dekhenge." And then he has posted this famous iconic photo of Arvind Kejriwal. It is from a very, very long time ago, but it is an adequate representation of what he used to be. Saurabh Bharadwaj now clearly very defiant about it. He says that the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal will see off this new challenge by the BJP and this crackdown attempted on it.
All right. Ankit, thank you for that. Dr. Gupta, what do you say as far as the approach now that is concerned of the Aam Aadmi Party when the relevant judgment came from the trial court to the High Court putting a pause or stay on it?
See, I am again saying you, the complaint made by the Congress leaders in 2022, they are not questioning the Congress leaders, but because the decision is not their fair, CBI is questioning, it is a blame game. How can you question, how can you say the decision of the High Court as prejudice? This is highly objectionable. The decision of the Honorable High Court, nobody in India can say that it is a prejudice. You cannot question the integrity and the honesty of the judges. Maybe it is lower court, high court or Supreme Court. So because they are fully involved in the corruption in the excise case, when they are being caught up, they are just making excuses. All the leaders like the Manish Sisodia, even the Sanjay Singh is out of bail. So just to save something to the public, they are making this false allegation.
All right, because they are apprehending that possibly the CBI could move in now and possibly make the step of taking Arvind Kejriwal in their custody, and that is why there have been growing apprehensions within the Aam Aadmi Party, calling it as dictatorship or Tanashahi. Thank you very much, Dr. Gupta, sir, for taking out your time and speaking to us on Times Now, sir.